Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we are going to be covering a move-in ready, new construction, Toll Brother home here in the northwest side of Las Vegas, so stay tuned. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Now if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now what we do on my channel is we go over all the new build communities in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you like looking at new home build tours, or if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, do me a favor guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities in Las Vegas. All right, you guys, so welcome. We are going to be going over this move-in ready home. Now this is a Toll Brother home, guys. It's part of the Paloma collection. We're here in Centennial in the northwest, so we're about 35-40 minutes away from the Las Vegas airport and the strip. Now guys, this is move-in ready, meaning that there's no additional like upgrades or anything. It's ready for a buyer to move in tomorrow. Yeah, let's get into it guys. Couple of things about this house. Now this is 2,389 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, and the price used to be $743,995. Now it is $646,995. Okay, so almost $100,000 price reduction, guys. This is a corner lot, has a really large backyard, so we'll get into it in just a little. So over here we're gonna have the nice like stacked stone. Okay, so we got this nice 8-foot door. Now this feature right here, so you could definitely, you know, Amazon drops off package, they could definitely put it in there. So welcome in guys. So we do have 10-foot ceilings in this floor plan. Okay, so this is what you see as soon as you walk in. Now right over here you're gonna have a small little like office space den. Okay, so it's pretty small in here, you guys. I want to say this is about 8 feet from here to here, and then it's gonna be like 11 feet from right there. Okay, so it looks like as far as the flooring, we do have like the this is tile flooring. Okay, it's gray, got the gray tile flooring, whole bunch of outlets right over here. We have the pre-wire to the ceiling fan right up there. This is going to be your powder room. Okay, so toilet, pedestal sink. Okay, this is gonna be the bathroom that the guests use. So right here, you're gonna have your coat closet, as well as a smart panel box. You do have some storage space. So a few things about this community too, I know you guys wanna know. So the master plan is $84 a month. The HOA is $75 a month. So the total monthly fees is $159. And then you do have a SID assessment. So it's the balance on the SID is $8,058, but you pay $306 every 6 months, okay? So you pay $306 every 6 months until the balance is completely paid. So right over here, guys, I want to show you, this is kind of what it looks like. High ceilings right there. Okay, so this is the entryway. So you also do have 2 lights right there, pre-wire for the ceiling fan. Okay, your CO2 smoke detector as well. And let me turn off the lights in this closet. Okay, so for here, this is a spec home, guys. Looks like they, you know, they upgraded the handrail right over here to the Mission style railing, but they kept this the pony wall. Okay. So this is going to be your main living area. So you have all your cable hookups right there. Nice 3 windows. All right. You also have your Ecobee right over here to control the thermostat. Okay. Flat edge cornering. Now guys, remember when it comes to spec homes, like move-in ready homes, this is where there's going to be the most wiggle room as far as, you know, the purchase price or getting the best deal. Okay. So it's not so much building from lot up, but if you could find a quick move-in home like this that you like, I mean, you could definitely, you know, place offers on the house. And something that's also nice too, as you can see, it already comes with a refrigerator. Okay, most new build homes don't come with a refrigerator. So we got the built-in stovetop right there. Okay, so nice KitchenAid oven and KitchenAid microwaves. Okay, you got the gray cabinets. Oh, nice, soft close too. Okay, so we got some backsplash action going. Okay, look at this granite, you guys. Beautiful thick granite. This is about like the 2-inch granite. And then you have your stainless steel undermount sink. Okay, also you have the KitchenAid dishwasher. Now guys, take a look at the backyard. The backyard, if you're looking for a pretty good sized backyard, large backyard, I mean, this is pretty nice. Ooh, it's really windy right now. Okay, so you have this covered patio, right? From the covered patio to the wall, it's gonna be about 30 feet deep. Now the backyard over here is gonna be 75 feet wide, okay? So plenty of space. You even have plenty of space on the side of the house as well. Okay, so this is probably gonna be about like 10 to 12 feet. Oh, it's extremely windy right now. Guys, take a look at the views out here. Skye Canyon, it's beautiful. You have a nice little side yard right here. And then just all around, you're gonna have like nice mountain views. So what we'll do is we'll take a look at the pantry. Okay. So we have your pantry right here. Okay, in good size. And then over here, you're gonna have, okay, this is gonna be for your, to control the locks in the house and your alarm. Now, as far as the garage goes, guys, it's a pretty high garage. It's gonna be about 10 to 11 feet for the ceiling. Okay, it's gonna be 22 feet deep. You have your tankless water heater right there, water softener. Okay. And you also have, I think this is a water filtration system. Actually, I think that, no, that's just part of, yes, I believe that's a, okay, so this, so we'll head upstairs. Now guys, remember, if you are interested in the new build community and you're curious to know more information, guys, give me a call. My info is going to be in the description below. Or if you're working with a realtor, you know, let them know you're interested in a certain new build community. The thing is, if you go to a new build community on your own for your very first visit, they won't let you have a representation by an agent later on. And you definitely want representation, guys. Because the new build agents have a fiduciary relationship with the new build, but we do for you guys. So we negotiate for you. We hold the builders accountable. We make sure you get all the max builder incentives. So, and the builders pay the agent fees. So it's a win-win for you. Okay, so you have this nice sink over here, upgraded sink, counter area. Okay. So this is the loft up here, which is nice. You have 9-foot ceilings up here. Okay, 8-foot doors. Now this room is probably a like a 10 by 10. Okay, so nice. Look, it already comes with blinds. Okay. See, so, you know, already comes with a refrigerator. Blinds are included. That's definitely going to save you some money. And let me just see real quick. Oh, yep. And the washer and dryer is included as well. So more money you could keep in your pocket. There's going to be the full bath. Yeah, the gray cabinets, the quartz countertop, undermount sink, Moen faucet. Okay. Here's your shower tub. Nice. And they went with a tile all the way up. Here's the other guest bedroom. Here, I actually have my measuring device. So, okay, so it's 11 feet. Okay, so it's 11 by 12. And then right here, you're gonna have your linen closet. Washer and dryers, you're gonna have your laundry room right here. And then welcome to your primary bedroom. So this is pretty spacious. Here, I'll actually get you measurements right now. So 16 by 14. Now to the left, you're gonna have, oh, this is a deep closet for sure. Okay, so this closet's gonna be about 16 feet deep. Okay, you also have your attic access up there. Nice. Now you have your upgraded walk-in shower, guys. Look at this beautiful tile material. Check that out. All right. Okay, they went ahead and added the quartz. Okay, the 2-inch thickness. And then you have your toilet room right over here. All right, guys, let me know what you think about this move-in ready home in the comments below.